Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I made this really beautiful frameless wall art using items that I purchased from both Michael's and the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For this project, I used some of the Dollar Tree round mirrors, some of their 11 by 14 picture frames, some of these 1-inch mirrors that I purchased from Michael's, as well as this wooden coaster set. I also used some Gorilla construction adhesive, my E6000. I'll have the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the mirror from its frame, as well as the glass from the 11 by 14 picture frame as well. I then cleaned my glass, and then using my E6000, I attached the round mirror to the center of that 11 by 14 glass. I then used that same E6000 to attach those 1-inch pieces around the edges of my 8-inch mirror. I added a total of 16 pieces around that 8-inch mirror, and while my E6000 was still wet, I adjusted those pieces as evenly as possible. To add some dimension, I decided to add a second layer of the 1-inch pieces to my initial row closest to my 8-inch mirror. To make my first design bigger, I decided to add additional mirror pieces, but I didn't want any of the pieces to hang over the clear glass. So right on the edges, where there wasn't enough room for that additional row, I slightly overlapped that mirror onto the mirror in the previous row, just so I wouldn't have any sharp edges hanging off the sides of my clear glass. I hope that makes sense. For my second design, I followed a similar pattern, adding the 8-inch mirror to the center and then adding the 3 rows of 1-inch mirrors. But instead of adding that second layer to my first row, I decided to add that second layer to the outside row of my design instead. For my third design, again, I added the 8-inch mirror to the center, 1 row of the 1-inch mirrors, and then as you can see, I followed a slightly different pattern for my additional mirrors. And here was my fourth design. I also decided to add 1-inch mirror pieces to each corner of all 4 designs. I then put all 4 designs to the side and allowed them to dry. I could have definitely used command strips to hang my designs, but because I did not want them to sit flush against the wall, I decided to add these wood coasters. I simply added a Sawtooth hanger using E6000 to the back of each of the coasters, and then I allowed these to dry as well as my designs for about 5 hours. Later that day, I used my Gorilla Construction adhesive to attach a wooden coaster to the back of each of my designs. While that set, I decided to add some gems to my designs just to give it a little extra sparkle. Here you see me using E6000 to attach my gems. That was not a good idea. The E6000 was far too strong for the gems and actually affected the clarity of the gems. I should have used my hot glue gun here instead. I'll show you in a minute what that looked like. It turned out fine because I liked how the gems had a cracked look, but I should not have used my E6000 for this part. The following day, I used an X-Acto knife to clean up any excess glue, and I also gave my mirrors and my glass a really good cleaning, and here was my finished look. I think that all 4 designs turned out beautiful. They were simple to make, inexpensive, and definitely added some glam to the rustic glam look that I'm going for in my downstairs guest bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.